everybody, welcome back to Live with me. So I'm back with another video, and y'all, it has been a minute since I sat down and did a look. So I'm attempt to do a look here for y'all using some new products, or mostly new products, and I figured I could bring you along for a ride. Remember, this is not a tutorial because you know your girl struggles. So I just want to try some new things and bring you along for the ride. So if you want to see this, get ready with me. Just keep on watching. Hey y'all. So y'all, I'll probably have to do a voiceover because my family is home and it's going to get loud and it's going to get noisy. But I'll probably do a voiceover. And I think I'm going to break this into 2 videos. It's going to be a get ready with me. And then I'm going to show you how I style my sister locks. Because if you did not know, your girl has sister locks. I've had them for 4 weeks. It has been 4 weeks of ease. I love them. I'm so happy I got them. They're short, but I love them. I love them, love them, love them. So I'll also do a video and show you how I style them. So yeah, without further ado, the first video is going to be the get ready with me. And then I'm going to do a second video, and that is going to be how I style my sister locks. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it.
Alright y'all, let's get started. Come on in a little bit closer. I'm about to put my serum on. It's the new Glossier Future Dew serum, and it's a little bit sticky, and as I put it on, I feel like it doesn't feel like a serum normally feels, but I like the way it feels. It's hydrating but sticky, so that made me want to read the directions, and when I read the instructions, I found out
This says timeout. This says apply 2 pumps all over the face as the last step in your skincare routine. So they're saying put this on after your moisturizer. So what I'm going to do, I already put it on as the serum. I'm going to put my moisturizer on here, and then I'm going to go back with this on top.
Okay y'all, now that I got that figured out, let's go ahead and put my moisturizer on, which is Sunday Riley. So I'm putting that on, and then going on top of that with the Glossier Future Dew serum. Feels good. Now here I am putting on my primer, which is the Kaja Blur Drop Primer. It's a silicone primer, but I really like it. Now here comes the Glossier tint, Perfecting Skin Tint in G3. It says to use your fingers and to put it on, and I really like it. It's not heavy, and it does have a great hydrating feel. Now here I am with this stretch concealer, which I do like, but I do feel like I needed another concealer underneath it, you know, to cover up my God-given dark circles and all that. But this serum says it's buildable, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm putting on another layer of concealer, so it seemed like it worked fine. But you can see, as you look at my face, you can see that, you know, it's not blended at all. So here I am blending, making sure it blends into my skin tint fine, so I won't look crazy with lines of demarcation. Now I'm going in with my powder, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Micro Smooth Powder. I really like this powder. There's only 3 colors, and this is the darkest one. So it is a brightening powder for me. Now bronzer, I'm doing the Benefit Hoola Bronzer and Toasted. You know, they just now started doing the dark one for us melanated girls, and I really like it. Now, here is my fail for today. I'm trying to use my Farsali Skin Mist, and this joke got the nerve to not want to spritz, and I kept trying and trying. So, but I eventually gave up and started to use the what was it? The Physicians Formula 24 Karat Gold Skin Setting Spray. So I used that instead. I did get my Farsali to work because I was not spending that much money on that for it not to work. So anyway, here I am about to do my eyeshadow. I'm using my Sydney Grace single shadows. The first one is peanut butter. I'm going above the transition, and then in my transition I'm using Solomon, which is like this reddish brown. So I'm using that. Then in the outer V, I am going to be using dark chocolate, just to darken it up a little bit. And then finally for my lid, I'm going to be also using another single shadow. And it's called Hot Stuff. It's very pretty. These are very blendable shadows. They look beautiful. I really like them. And then for my lower lash line, I'm just going to go down there and use hot chocolate on my bottom lash line. And blam, there you got it. Wink. So I did my brows and my mascara and everything offline. I will have those things in the description box. But now I'm doing my cheek. I'm using this Milk Cosmetics, this cheek and lip oil. I think it's in Glimmer. Yeah, it was Glimmer. Going back in with the highlighter. This is the Sydney Grace highlighter. It's Picture Perfect. Get my glow on. You know how that goes. Then finally going back in with my Physicians Formula 24 karat setting spray. Last, my lips. I'm using MAC Satin Mocha lipstick. And my lip liner is by Makeup Forever. It's Dimensional Dark Brown. And y'all, here's my final look. I really liked it. It's very dewy. Yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in another video.